Hey everyone, it's Jamie from the Outdoor Living Company. We're out here in Indian Head, Maryland. We just installed this walkway. It's natural flagstone walkway, Pennsylvania bluestone. I actually put this on open grade. There's a lot of water running through here. So we've got 6 inches of 57 stone, number 8s. Put this flagstone down on the number 8s and then use NOCO Storm, which is permeable, and it is hard as a rock. It's only been down for about 12 hours now, and it is hard as mortar. So awesome to see that. See the paw prints, footprints. This has already been used. Put in a 10-foot wide landing. This is definitely a grand entrance. Homeowner's going to put some planter pots here. Walkway 6 feet wide. Used to just be one sloping walkway. It's 4 feet and actually was off center on the house. So we squared this up and put in 2 steps. So obviously you see the 1 step here. It's 2 treads merged together and then 1 solid step at the base. I think a grand entrance is the only way to go. But you know, bluestone matches the house, matches the decor inside. I mean, I'm excited to see the grass grow in and see new planting up front here. Really happy and pleased with the way this project turned out. And we'll get some other video and pictures of this. See you on the next one.